Okay, so now we're gonna add our first robot. We're gonna go to robot artwork and drag the robot over. Let's drag him in front of our first person controller for now, because I need to know how he's looking. So I just passed him. He's in the woods now. Alright, there he is. Alright. So here's the robot. Alright, there. So now we can scale him like that so that he'll stand up. So if I press play, he just stands there like a zombie. That's because he doesn't have any scripts in him. So we want to add some scripts, and we want to add the. Actually, hold on. I messed up. I put too many waypoints. We actually don't need that many. Really, all you need is just 4, and they all can just follow those 4. So I'm just gonna when this finally starts, I'll fix that. It's just a small problem. Okay, see, he moved, the gun moves. It's because he's trying to move, but he doesn't have any animation. So I'm gonna go to my waypoints over here, and I am going to delete all of these waypoints. So go to component, and game object create empty waypoint, and go to component scripts auto waypoint again, and we're going to put our first waypoint right here, let's see, and 1 meter above the ground. Okay, and we're going to duplicate it and put it right there, duplicate it again, and duplicate it again. That's all we need. It's just 4. Just put them really far apart, and now create another empty one, all waypoints, just like that. And we really don't need that many robots either. So now if you press play, it should play quicker. Yeah, see, it plays a lot quicker, and that's good. Now, since this is out of the thing, so now we need to fix that. So if we press play now, no, it's just these 3. No, it's all 4. Never mind. Okay, that's good. So now we want to add some animation to our robot. He's scaled for the right size, and we're going to click on robot, and now go to component scripts, add the AI script, component script, and AI animation script. So the speed is how fast you can run, 10. Rotation speed, we leave everything else the same. The target is who he's going to go after. Just click and drag the first person controller prefab into the target, because he's going to go after you. Maximum run speed is 10. So go to the character controller, and now this is the important part right here. This little green circle thing, we want to make it the shape of his body. So the height, that's about the shape of his body, and the radius is how wide, about right there. Okay, so now that we have that set up, when it starts, he'll try to go for you. So if we press start, see, he tries to shoot at you, but he can't shoot. There's nothing for him to shoot. He doesn't have any bullets or anything. So we're going to fix that also. And we also need to add a character damage script, which is right there. Character damage. It takes 100 hit points to kill him. And the die sound, so when he dies, just type in die, and it'll say player die right there, and just click and drag that into die sound. So when we shoot him, when we shoot him, he just makes the die sound, but his body just disappears. Well, we're gonna fix that too. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna file, save scene, save it as, you can save it as whatever you want, destruction zone level 4, just level 4 for now. It's actually level 3, but now what we're gonna do is create a new scene and create a cube. Then we're gonna scale this cube and add our first person controller prefab. Drag it in there. And we're gonna move him. Alright. Put him like in the corner right there. And that should be good. Alright. So now we want to add in our robot right there and kind of scale him. And now rotate him so he's facing you. Don't add any AI or anything. Just go to component, physics. Create other ragdoll. Now we need to add all the things that's with him. The root is the actual robot, so type in robot. And it says the left hip now. The left hip, which is the upper leg. So type in up. It'll say up leg left. Just do that one. And now the right hip, just up leg right. And now the left knee, low leg left. And the right knee, low leg right. And the middle spine is right here, which is spine number 2. No, actually it's spine 3. That's the middle spine. And now the left arm, which is up arm left. And the right arm, which is up arm right. And the elbow, which is low arm left. Low arm left. Low arm left. And the right elbow, which is low arm right. And now, for last but not least, we want to assign the head and click create. So now, if we press play, this is what it would look like when he dies. He'll just drop like that. And that's what we want. Okay. And hold on. We want to go to assets, create, prefab, and name this robot die. And now drag the robot die in there. So now when we go back to our scene, open another scene, destruction zone, don't save it. Now go back to the robot and it says dead replacement. Our dead replacement is a robot die we just made. So now when I try to kill him, he actually dies and it shows his body, which is right here. I don't know why it goes flopping like that, but it's probably because he's not big enough. So I'm not gonna scale him though. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So if I press play again, Like scoot back. See, he dies. His body's right there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, which I should have did before, is I'm gonna add music in the background, and I'll do that in a minute.